What should I do? I have an idea. I'll go to the AMC theaters and see Inside Out 2. I have tickets to go see it. It starts at 4:15 p.m. today. It's 3:34 o'clock right now, so let's go now. I'm here to see Inside Out 2.
Okay, enjoy.
A popcorn and drink, please.
Enjoy the movie.
Inside Out 2. Despicable Me 4. Some commercials are playing right now and then the previews. Oh my god, that was the scariest thing I ever saw happen to the emotions when anxiety said hello everybody. To disgust, joy, sadness, fear and anger. Envy is on the screen. Embarrassment and ennui appeared. Also joy called and wee. Terrific movie.
Hey Rosie, you might not remember us but we are your distant grandparents. We like to take you home. Your parents are out working.
Thank you. I learned that I shouldn't go with strangers. They might kidnap me.
Oh come on, we are taking you straight home. We promise we won't kidnap you. We cross our hearts.
Fine. Thank you guys.
Anytime.
Why do you two sound just like my parents?
Because we are your parents. You are grounded for seeing Inside Out 2 without permission. Go to bed now.